So it is nothing new. It is as expected from Siddaramaiah and Congress government. This is a government which is hell bent upon taking care of its vote bank at the cost of country and at the cost of social harmony. These are the very people who attack police station, attack the police commissioner, attack the common constables and tried to kill them. They tried to burn the police station and police alive. And these kind of people were put behind the bar rightly. But Congress government, just in order to appease Muslims, just in order to appease the minority vote bank, they are moving at a lightning speed in order to withdraw this case. This is there in their DNA. We can't expect much better from them. See, like this government has already increased the price of petrol. They have already increased the price of water. They have increased the price of electricity. They have reduced the subsidy what they were giving it to farmers for the milk. Now they are increasing the price of the milk also. So this government is a bankrupt government. They don't know. Siddaramaiah has completely, utterly failed in the governance. He claims to be submitting the 16th budget now. What is the use of all this experience? He has lost control over the government. He has lost control over the governance. And I think since this is his last stint, he is only busy making money. It's such an irresponsible approach towards the illegal immigration issue. This is a very, very serious issue. If 100 and odd illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Pakistan are here, they should be dealt. There is no question of BJP and Pakistan. And as we all know, there is not 137. There are more than 10 lakh illegal immigrants in Karnataka. If you go to Bengali colony here in Madhavpura, you will find thousands of people. If you go to coffee estates of Karnataka, you will find thousands of them. So there were 137 is just a eyewash. I sincerely request the Home Minister to raid and arrest all these guys and put them in a barrack. And also I asked Mr. Rizwan to not to come out with such kind of irresponsible statement. He is a newly elected MLA. He should people expect a much better response from people like him.